Hi everyone, it's Lucy here, and today I'm going to be taking you on a room tour at Coronado Springs, one of Disney's moderate tier resorts. Myself and my husband Andy stayed at Coronado Springs in May of 2025. We stayed in a double queen room in the Casitas Building 5. It's our favourite area to stay in Coronado Springs. We have stayed at the Gran Destino Tower, which you can see here over the lake. We've stayed in Ranchos, but Casitas has our heart. It's our absolute favourite. Main reason, this bridge access is so perfect. It kind of ends, you can see it at the end there, that building. Straight up on the left is Casitas Building 5. It is right at the end of the bridge. It connects you directly to El Centro. It connects you to the dig site, and it has its own bus stop number 2, which is just the perfect stop on the route. So we're going to take you on our room tour and show you everything we love about Coronado. So this was our room 5227. It was on the second floor of Casitas Building 5, a double queen room. We stayed here for 14 nights and it was so comfortable. Look how much space there is in this beautiful room. 2 queen beds, so plenty of starfishing, which was great. It's got a great size safe. We were able to put the laptop in here, passports, any kind of bits and pieces we wanted to make sure were hidden away. Full length mirror, which not every resort room actually has, was great for those outfit pictures in the morning. I love these doors. I don't know why, I just love them. But the double sink bathroom, the lighting, the big mirror, I really do love the bathroom at Coronado. It's so bright and modern with the separate bathroom there. They tend to have the shower over the bath, which I don't mind because it has the glass screen rather than a curtain. The toilet, the recessed door for extra privacy, and look at this wardrobe. Plenty of space, a good amount of hangers, all the usual amenities in there. I do like to take my own travel hangers just so I can fit plenty, but look how much is in that wardrobe. There is so much space, lots of room for your lounge flies because girlies have to have their accessories on these Disney trips. Maybe a few belt bags underneath there. Yep, plenty of room, and all of these drawers as well. Plenty of space for everything you will need to pack away and nest in your room for the next few weeks. There's a big fridge there. We like to use those shelves to kind of put out all of our snacks and bits and pieces once we've done a Target run. And the main reason we love to stay at Casitas Building 5, although you don't have your own private balcony, just look at the views from here. It is absolutely stunning. You have that gorgeous lake view, great for some pictures in the morning, and this is why we love to stay at Coronado.